Hello and welcome to the ChequeSystem tutorial video. Today, we are going to explore the software's main screen so you can get comfortable with the user interface. We built ChequeSystem to be straightforward and streamlined, so let's get started. This is the main screen of ChequeSystem. To keep things organized, the window is structured into three key areas. On the left side, you have the Tools box. Think of this as your primary menu. It holds all the different modules you'll need, like your checkbooks, payee list, and your reports. To the right, taking up most of the screen, is the main display area. This acts as your viewing window, showing you the actual records and data for whatever modules you select from the left. When you open ChequeSystem, it defaults to your active checkbook. You'll see a list of all the checks associated with that account right here in the main view. A handy feature to remember is that if you manage multiple checkbooks, each new checkbook you create will be added to the Tools box list, allowing you to switch between checkbooks with a single click. Now, let's look at the top row. This is the Action Toolbar. It is dynamic, meaning it updates automatically based on the task you are currently performing. Because we are currently viewing the checkbook, the toolbar offers check-related actions. You'll find options to create a new check, edit, delete, or print. You can also manage batch operations or import data here. Plus, the filter bars above the list help you quickly sort through checks by date or status. Let's see how the interface adapts when we switch modules. Go ahead and select Payee List from the Tools box. Two updates happen instantly. First, the central view updates to show your payee database, including contact names and phone numbers. Second, the Action Toolbar transforms. The buttons are now tailored for payee management, giving you specific options like New Payee, Print Address, and Export. You will see this same behavior in the Reports section. The toolbar always changes to ensure you have the exact functions you need for the active screen. Beyond the icons and lists, there is one more essential area, the main menu located at the very top of the window. This strip stays consistent regardless of which module you are using. Here, you can access the full range of system commands through File, Management, Tools, Settings, and Help. If you need to configure global preferences, back up your data, or access utility tools, this menu is your go-to destination. And that is a quick overview of the ChequeSystem main screen. It's designed to keep the right tools at your fingertips. Thank you for watching.